Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's feeling very well. I hope nobody is suffering through the storms and everybody and their buildings and property is okay. So today we are looking at anonymous jewellery. This is the subscription that I get once a month. My one in particular costs £19.99. You get 4 pieces of jewellery, so obviously that works out about £5 per piece of jewellery. I put down that I wanted to concentrate on having silver items. You can have a choice of tones. That would include gold and rose gold, as well as your standard silver. Now, they used to do a mix of colours. I'm not sure if they still actually do that. I haven't looked into that because, like I say, I'm kind of concentrating on the silver side of things at first. I'm going to build that up a little bit and then possibly move across to gold tone jewellery. You do fill out a kind of a little profile, just saying what your style could be. I think I put down that mine was classic, but there's like bohemian, rock, or all kinds. There's a list of what your particular style of jewellery would be. There's also an age range on there as well. I think I put down that I'm like 35, I wish. Just to keep it a little bit younger than my actual age. And what else? They will ask you also, do you have your ears pierced? Do you like dangly earrings, studded earrings? They ask you if you like single necklaces or layered necklaces. I like layered because you tend to get more than one necklace. And they'll also possibly ask you for your ring size as well. So that is a profile filled out. It sounds longer than what it actually is. It takes you like literally 2 seconds. I'm not sure if the other subscription costs. I think there's one for, I want to say £16.99 for 3 pieces. So I decided to obviously go for the 4 pieces of jewellery for £19.99, and that does actually include postage as well. I like this because it fits through your letterbox, so you haven't got to stay at home waiting for your parcel to be delivered. And they've changed their packaging. This used to come in a little pink box. They now popping it in a little pink jiffy bag, which I really like as well. So let's see what items I received this month. So inside you get your products. Inside these little bags, you also get, what I do like now, then, never did this before, they give you a value of your bag or boxes, whatever you want to call them. So the total value for this bag of 4 pieces of jewellery is £44. So £24 value. Okie dokie, so let's have a look. So the first one, they're calling a silver plated coin necklace. They're valuing this at £14. Let's pop it out the packaging so we can get a good look at it. This looks like it's a layered one as well. I do like layered necklaces. I don't know if you saw my last video. I'll leave it linked down below for you. I got a really nice stars and moon. It had like the earrings and a beautiful necklace. It had like kind of a choker necklace with a longer necklace. I love it. I like wear it a lot. I really do like it. And I know it's not real silver, but obviously if you take care of it and you're not having baths and showers, you're not spraying perfume on it, I do find that it does last. So it's not like a one wear item, you know, they kind of do last. So this is the first item, which is super cute. So the first chain here, it's got little tiny balls on it, which I'm sure you can see. Cute. And then these have what they're calling, did I say coins? They're supposed to look like coins, but they look like little discs to me. And you do have the opportunity to make it longer or shorter as you want. So yeah, like that. I can see myself around that. Very pretty indeed. Okay, then we have silver plated lily earrings. So let's have a look for those. Are they earrings? I believe they are. So I requested that I would like drop down earrings rather than studded earrings. And I can always change it if I want. You know, if I start getting too many of the drop down earrings, I can switch things up and change that if I wish to. Oh, these are nice and cute. Oh my God, I will wear these for sure. These are priced at £9. I'm not sure if I said. But as you can see, it's silver tone and they are drop down and they have the cutest different coloured stones. So pretty. Love this. So I need to try one in. These are a little bit longer than what I probably generally would go for. So I would probably just kind of wear these with my hair when it's down. But yeah, super cute, super pretty. They are nice. They are a good length. I really like them. I don't know whether you can kind of see the colours of the stones are beautiful. So yeah, like that. Great. And to be honest, unlike some other subscription boxes I have, I've never not liked what Anonymous Jewellery actually have sent out to me. I've always kind of liked the pieces and wear them. Right, next we have a silver plated Cara bracelet. This is priced at £12. I'm actually kind of not sure which is which. What does the other one say? Oh, so it's this one. So it's a little bracelet. It has little stones on there. It looks like a kind of leaves. Little leaves. Right. What I like about the bracelets is it has kind of like this ball on it. You just kind of like pull it down. Don't be too heavy-handed with it, she says. Yeah, you just kind of pull it down to make it bigger. Take it off the card. This has got some weight behind it as well. It's really cute. Now, I don't know whether you're going to pick up on the stones here. These have really tiny little stones in the design on there. And then obviously once you put the bracelet on, you pull that back up and it will tighten, which I really like. So you can do these by yourself. You don't need to have somebody at home helping you try to do the clasps up. And the chain is a box chain, which is not my favourite because it tends to pinch my hairs. Excuse the makeup, I've just literally done an unboxing for Sweet Sparkle. But yeah, as you can see, that is that one. Again, very pretty. And again, I will absolutely wear this. Lovely. Okay, and our last piece I'd like to show you. This is called Silver Plated Green Joy Bracelet, valued at £9. That's that one. And this again is so pretty. This has got like green stones in it all the way around the bracelet. I'm not a lover of green. I can live with jewellery in green. I'm a little bit with makeup and clothing in green. So again, this has got one of these. Oopsie, excuse me. It's a little bit twisted and yep. So again, it's got one of these little pulley downs. Take it off the card. So pretty. Look at that, guys. Can you see how gorgeously pretty, delicate, dainty, sparkly? We all like a bit of sparkle, right, ladies? And once you put it on your wrist, you just pull these balls up and it tightens it. So I think it's just amazing. It's very helpful if you are, like I say, at home by yourself, or you haven't got very strong fingers, you haven't got to mess about with them silly clasps. So yeah, like that. I see myself wearing that. I really like that a lot. Actually, it goes quite nice with these earrings. Right, okay, my lovelies. That's all I've got to show you from Anonymous Jewellery. I think it's well worth it. I know it sounds expensive, 20 quid, but you are getting 4 pieces of jewellery, like I say. Yes, I know they're not sterling silver, but if you take care of them, like anything, it will last you. I think it's a nice little collection there. I think it's age appropriate and I can see myself getting a lot of wear out of them. My favourite items are definitely the earrings. I think they're so cute, and I'm loving the little green. Even though it's green, I'm still loving the little bracelet. I think it's cute and it's sparkly. Just hope it doesn't pinch my hairs. Right, if you haven't entered the February giveaway, we've got a Beauty Bakerie palette, we've got the mascara, and we've got the blusher. I'll leave the link down below if you want to click on that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We do all kinds of unboxings on this channel, from makeup to skincare, clothing, jewellery. So it'd be great to have you. So yeah, please subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. Also, just tell me what your favourite items are. Do you like jewellery? Are you loving these earrings like I am? Okay, until we speak again, that's it for now. Please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.